So you can take a poo in your hallway. Hi guys, we're back with Federico and we're looking at some properties. You'll notice I'm showing you properties of all different types because I want you to get the full Monty of what's available here in the Lunigiana. When you go with an agent, it's really important that you have a list so that you know what you're going to see. I've been trying to get a list from him for like 2 years. So whenever we go out, I have no idea what we're going to see. And he'll do the exact same thing with you. So you're going to see fabulous. You're going to see things you're interested in, and then you're going to see things where what I call Why Are We Here? This is, I believe, a Why Are We Here video. Let's go and see. I'm being kidnapped. Full disclosure, not my favorite village. I don't think it's very pretty. The village itself looks onto a paper factory and a highway.
Si può parcheggiare la macchina vicino alla casa?
Well, of course, because why would we park next to the house? But there is parking.
A me piace camminare.
We like to walk there. Yes, I know. I know. Lo so, lo so. Like I said, it's not my favorite village. I don't think it's charming at all. And sometimes you just get kidnapped to look at these things. We're just going to go along for the ride. This is a go along for the ride video. I highly doubt I'm going to like this house.
Là c'è il forno in fondo, over there. Fanno una focaccia buona.
Really?
Okay.
Should we go get some?
Sì, dopo proviamo ad andarci.
Okay.
Sopra c'è la terrazza e abbiamo la nostra casa.
Okay, so this is typical. So this part of the house.
Scusa.
This part of the house is not for sale. He doesn't even know where the door is. This part of the house is not for sale. But the upper part of the house is for sale.
It's not that house.
Questa casa.
Wait, I'm confused.
Questa.
Oh, this is not the house.
No.
Oh, well, this is cute. I mean, it's very cute. Carina, really. It's cute. I still don't think I'm going to eat my words, but it's cute.
Nuova terrazza, anche le, vedi la canala nuova.
I don't know.
Probably just painted over the bird's nest.
Yeah, I saw that too. I was like,
They're still in there.
Camel.
It was just painted. It was literally just painted like an hour ago. And there's paint everywhere. I mean, look, there's paint everywhere. They painted it to sell it. Well, at least they're staging it. More stairs. Okay, you have to be in good shape because you're bringing your groceries up here, remember?
Questo è bello perché comunque i vicini tengono molto bene.
Jesus Christ. This is insane. Ugh.
Okay.
Oh no. Michael, mind your head from the ceiling. Who lives here? Lilliputian lives here. Little tiny elves live here. It's an elf house. Oh no f***ing way, no way. I mean, seriously? This is it? This is your inventory?
No, bisogna cambiare, bisogna metterlo a parete. Questo è diverso, attacchiamo su.
This is an attic. What is happening right now?
Prego.
Oh, and you can kill yourself. It's perfect.
Che ringhiera.
Well, I hope so. Speriamo.
Fantastico.
This is very...
Questo è bellissimo, hanno fatto un bellissimo lavoro.
Be careful. Come this way. You're making me nervous. Okay.
State attento.
Fence is up.
No. This is the cucina.
Questo è marmo.
It's marble. He could sell anything. E questa cucina per Lilliputian. For little tiny people. Little tiny people.
Ci sono le persone più alte e le
What
persone
is
più...
this?
Questo è il lavabo per...
No, lo so, ma che cosa è questo? Questa cucina?
Sì.
You're thinking this is a kitchen.
No, prima la cucina era di qua.
You know, it's when you want to put your Christmas decorations up, keep in mind I'm 5'3". 5'3". In America,
Sì.
persona alta.
Alta.
They're very tall people in America.
Ok.
They're very tall.
Però ci sarà qualcuna che sarà un po' più
I
bassa.
don't think so. This is a joke. Oh, quanto costa questo?
Questa è 75. Sì.
No, that's ridiculous. Stupidest thing I ever heard in my life. This is not.
Non
this
piace.
Is, non piace. I mean, this is not real. Non è vero questo. Non è vero. This is. Non è vero.
A me
questo.
piace molto questo. Secondo me è una casa con grande
Well, you should buy it.
con grande potenziale.
Grande potenziale. Are you shitting me?
Sì, io dico di sì.
Oh, look, I said, are you shitting me? And I'm walking towards a shitter. So you can take a poo in your hallway.
Original.
Yeah. Oh my god. With a beam.
Fantastico.
You did not disappoint me because I was like, so when you go out with Federico, make sure you know where you're going, unless you have a really good sense of humor.
Non so una volta come facevano.
Perfect. You make a caca here. It's perfect.
Con vista. No, qui ci
With a
viene.
view, he says, with a view. Okay. So this is prison cell 13, and this is prison cell 14.
The ceilings are taller in here, at least.
Yeah. I don't need, I mean, the light fixture's cool. That's about it.
Did you go out to the balcony?
No, I'll go. Why, is it really good, Michael?
It's really good.
Well, at least you have a balcony off your master bedroom. Oh, hi, honey.
Hi.
Let me know when you're finished pooping.
I will.
So this is a building, and at the bottom of the building, there are people living there. That's their house. One person owns these two properties, but the people below are not the owners. So it's a separate owner. So they bought their part, and then they're selling this part of the apartment. But this is not an apartment. Questo non è un appartamento, questo. Like he did say to me, I will say, he did say it's 3 rooms. He did say that. And he did say that there was no kitchen. I mean, he did say that. So in your defense, you did. But I've never seen that. This is
No, questo è
nuovo per me. You would have to buy this for 75,000 euros, $100,000. It wouldn't be worth it because it's too low. This is being sold sort of as a renovation project. It's not being sold
Yes.
as like you move in. It's literally renovation. And you did say
Qui
that.
viene un bagno.
But I just always think it's so funny when he kidnaps me and brings me here and I'm like,
E sotto open space, aperto.
Office space.
Open space.
Storage. This is a great storage unit.
with the stairs coming up, perfect. It's perfect.
For things you never need to touch again.
Okay, so I think it's appropriate to do the out in the
In the
toilet.
toilets, absolutely. Yeah.
Hi. Well, we're gonna wrap this up, this incredible tour, best tour ever. I've not laughed that hard in a long time. So if you are interested in having a toilet in your hallway and just maybe downstairs you could sit in that big sink and take a bath, then this is for you. There's about 500 steps to get here. And you could kill yourself at any time because there's no railing on the balcony.
Steven, you're making me so nervous.
Yeah, he's making me nervous too.
It really scared the shit out of me because I really thought he was going to fall over. I mean, it's so dangerous. So, yeah, this is pretty terrible. But if you've gotten this far, we have some fun. This is divertente for sure.
Piace tantissimo.
He loves it. He's going to buy it. He's going to tell his wife that they're moving here. I want to see that. We're going to film that. All right. Again, don't forget to like and
Subscribe.
that's right. And we'll see you at the next location if Federico doesn't fall off the balcony. Ciao. Oh, that's good. Federico's waving over there. Very good, Federico. Wow, he's got this filming down now.